Crunchy, delicious, and full of nutrition from the beetroot. These are super easy beetroot vadas. Let's get started. To begin, I'm washing 1 cup of Chana Dal. Let's drain out the impurities. I'm soaking the dal in 1 cup of water for 2 hours. After 2 hours, you will see the dal has swelled up and softened. In a grinder, I'm adding the soaked Chana Dal and 4 dried red chillies. Let's grind to get a coarse mixture. Into the mixture, I am adding 2 tablespoons of rice flour, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1 tablespoon of salt or as per taste, 3 green chillies finely chopped, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 finely chopped onion, 1 cup of grated beetroot. I grated 2 small beetroots and 2 tablespoons of green coriander leaves. Let's bring everything together. The vada mixture is ready. Time to shape them. I'm greasing my palms with a little oil to avoid the mixture sticking to my palms. To shape, take some mixture in your palms, make a ball and flatten them into a flat disc. These are done. Time to fry. I have oil on heat. I'm sliding in the vadas one by one into hot oil. Let them fry from all the sides. This will take around 3 to 4 minutes. Once crisp and lightly brown, take them out. Serve them with fresh coconut chutney and hot coffee. Enjoy! Until we meet again, eat well, live well, and stay blessed.